Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Calculus problems involving related rates might seem intimidating, but you can master the specific geometry setup in under 60 seconds by following these 3 simple steps. Start by relating the truck's distance y and the car's distance x to the distance between them h using the Pythagorean theorem to define the geometric relationship for this problem.
Differentiate both sides with respect to time t. Remember to use the chain rule for each variable, resulting in this derivative equation that links all the changing rates together perfectly. Finally, find the current distance h, then plug in the known values for x, y, and their rates to solve for dh dt. Boom! You have calculated the final rate now. Smart move! Scan the code, you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid ignoring signs or skipping the chain rule. Always use Pythagoras and check your units.